Hey people, so keeping in mind the fact that I want to, explore these shows from different, backgrounds, and there's this one show called Fauda, which is set in Palestine, and it's basically the entire movie. It's a series. It's in Hebrew, so you need to watch the subtitles to be able to understand what is going on. But the reason I find that particular show interesting is, I mean, on Netflix it's a show that's really trending. So basically it's about the Palestinian fighters and the kind of situations they face. Yeah, in the, so I mean, the very opening scene is of this man who looks injured, and they allow him into a mosque. The people within the mosque itself let him in because he looks like injured. But moment he gets in, he takes out this whole apparently these are at some level based on real life events. So normally a mosque is like, it is such a sacred place, but it is, we are shown that these people who are terrorists and all, they stoop at nothing. Yeah, I mean, so they open fire, and I mean, it is so intriguing that this whole movement of whatever, a lot of terrorism, it involves complete families. So there's this one shot of this normal lady who could have been a housewife. She's like all dressed in that military thing with this I mean, I don't know the real names also for those the kind of weaponry used, but you'll have to probably take a look at this show called Fauda, Fauda. I'm not even sure what it means. I think it's a Hebrew name for something, but this particular show grips you from scene one. So try and check it out, people. It is among the top 10 trending series on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.